So today you're going to be practicing the standard algorithm, and this is after you've already watched the Ed puzzle. So you'll notice here inside of the book widget that the first question says, show your work using the standard algorithm for multiplication. You're going to do that for each problem. So 38 times 6, you're going to be using this whiteboard here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this little pen, and then you'll see that I can use text boxes. The T means a text box, but because we're actually using the standard algorithm, we're going to want to use this pen right here. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead, and the problem is 38 times 6. So you'll see I am just drawing. I'm going to draw everything. Let's say I mess up. I can click back on that, and there's an eraser, and then I can erase my line. You can also undo that. You can redo it. You can zoom it if you need to, or unzoom it. You can change the color of your text if you like. So that's what you're going to do. You're going to work out each problem, and then afterwards you're going to record the answer that you get. So it'll say record your answer for number 1. So work out the problem on the whiteboard. We'll be looking to see your process here, and then you'll record your answer right after each whiteboard. So you'll see as I go down. Now, I do want to show you that as you get further down, there's going to be bigger answers, and I say to you, do not use commas in your answer. Usually we would put a comma, but because we're using the book widget program, if you put a comma, it will mark it wrong. So even though we would normally put a comma, just don't put a comma, otherwise the program will mark you wrong. All right, so when you're done, you'll go ahead and submit it, and it will put your score directly into the Google Classroom. All right, let us know if you have any questions.